2020 BMW X3 M package. Really beautiful car, as you guys can see. And he brought it in. He wants to make it a little bit quieter. He has a full Eisenmann bolt down system. Cat's back. So it's got a high flow cats up there somewhere. Then a full bolt on system. So I said I'm going to put it on the channel for you guys and let you guys hear it and see it, because we love BMWs here. So it's a full system, 2.5 all the way back, stainless steel. As you guys can see, all the way back. The only muffler or resonator it's got on it is this one right here. Cool design. As you guys can see right there, look at that. Really beautiful. You got the quad tips out the back, wide pipe system. There's a part number on it. I think you guys can see it, I don't know. It is B3344-R-1. It's the raising exhaust. There it is. Just a really beautiful system. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second and show you how many sound decibels it's got. He brought it to us. We're going to tame it for him. He's going to bring it back, and we're going to put 2 vibrant resonators on it to quiet it down for him. It's just the drone inside's a little bit too much for him. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.